I am preparing this video for my BSc Computer Application students, DAV College Hoshiarpur. I am going to cover operating system topic of unit first. What is operating system? An operating system is a program that acts as an interface between the computer user and the computer hardware. The purpose of operating system is to provide an environment in which a user can execute programs in a convenient and efficient manner. Operating system is the first program that gets loaded into the memory through a process called booting. We can see that operating system is an integrated set of programs that manages the various hardware resources such as processor, memory, input-output devices, communication devices, and the overall operations of a computer system. The main objective is to improve the performance and efficiency of a computer system and make it user-friendly. The most common operating systems are the Windows family of the operating system, Windows 98, Windows 2000, NT, Vista, Unix. Also, Android is a mobile operating system based on a modified version of the Linux kernel and other open source software designed for touchscreen mobile devices such as smartphones and tablets. Next is logical architecture of a computer system. Figure shows the logical architecture of computer system. The hardware resources such as CPU, memory and input-output devices are surrounded by the operating system layer, which in turn is surrounded by the layer of other system software such as compiler, editor, assemblers, etc. and by a set of application programs such as data processing application, engineering applications. Finally, the end users view the computer system in terms of the user interface provided by the application program. Operating system manages all parts of the system and presents to the user with an interface that is easier to program and use. It means that operating system hides the details of hardware resources from the programmer and provides the programmer with a convenient and interface for using the computer system. This is called abstraction. Operating system provides the feature of abstraction, which means hides the lower level details from user and provides a set of higher level function to user. Operating system has many hardware and software resources such as processor, memory, disk, printer. Operating system acts as a manager of these resources. It keeps track of who is using which resource, granting resource requests, and also accounting resource usage. Next topic is functions of operating system. The various functions of operating system are process management, main memory management, secondary storage management, file management, input-output management, protection and security. Last is networking. Now, I am discussing the first function, management. Process management refers to the assignment of processor to different tasks being performed by the computer system. The process management schedules the various processes of a system for execution. The main activities with the process management are creating and deleting both user and system processes, suspending and resuming processes. Another operating system is responsible for providing mechanism for the process communication, providing mechanism for deadlock handling. We will discuss deadlock in the next unit. Next responsibility of the operating system is main memory management. What is the memory? Memory is organized as a large array of words or bytes that stores the user program and instructions for the execution. Main memory is usually shared by the operating system and application program. As you also know, the memory managers keep track of area of main memory where operating system resides and where application program resides. In multi-programming environment, processes are kept in main memory so as to increase the CPU utilization and decrease the CPU response time. Operating system is also responsible for allocating and deallocating memory spaces as needed. Operating system also decides which processes are to be loaded into the memory when memory space becomes available. Next responsibility of operating system is secondary storage management. Secondary storage devices store system programs such as assembler, compiler, editor. As you know, students, the main memory has limited size and can't store all the user program at once. So computer system provides secondary storage devices to back up main memory. The operating system performs following functions in connection with disk management, that is free space management, storage allocation, disk scheduling. Storage allocation means allocate storage area for storing new programs, and free space management means manages free space on the disk by reclaiming memory from used objects. Next responsibility we will do in the next video. Thank you.